Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Regina Atikoh Cahyani, and my number ID is 19, 23, 11, and 40. I'm from BIIPA C. Okay, I will tell you about scientific explanation of meteor showers bombarding the air sky. Okay, I will tell you about meteor showers. Meteor showers are streaks of light known as meteors arising from the friction between the Earth's atmosphere and meteorites coming from outside the Earth. This friction creates heat that destroys the meteorite and produces heat and light that appear in trails in the sky. Current meteor showers are known for the sight of bright fireball meteors in the sky. The fireball is a large burst of light and color that can last longer than the average meteor light. From the news report in CNN Indonesia, the current meteor shower bombardment marks the first celestial phenomenon in Indonesia in 2020, on January 4 to be precise. The National Aeronautics and Space Agency (LAPAN) explained that meteor showers occur because the Earth meets a passing celestial body and rock dust is carried into the Earth's atmosphere. This meeting resulted in a friction between the Earth's atmosphere and meteorites coming from outside the Earth's atmosphere. The celestial body meets Earth because it also orbits the Sun. The celestial body burns out with a heat of 1650 degrees Celsius when it enters the atmosphere. This burning process is what the human eye sees as falling meteors. Science aspect in physics. Meteor showers occur because the Earth meets a passing celestial object and rock dust is carried into the Earth's atmosphere. This meeting resulted in friction between the Earth's atmosphere and meteors from outside the Earth. This celestial body burns out when it enters the atmosphere. The process of burning the celestial body, which is seen as a falling meteor. Radiant points are points that often appear to appear in meteor light trajectories. Science aspect in chemistry. Rock meteorites are composed of minerals that contain silicates, a material made of silicon and oxygen. They also contain several metals, nickel, and iron. There are two main types of rocky meteorites, namely chondrite and achondrite. Chondrite themselves are classified into two main groups, namely ordinary and carbon. Ordinary chondrites are the most common type of rock meteors. As many as 80–90% of all meteorites that fall to Earth are chondrite. Chondrite were formed from dust and tiny particles that coalesced to form asteroids in the early solar system more than 4.5 billion years ago. because they formed at the same time as the solar system. Chondrites are an integral part of the study of the origin, age, and composition of the solar system. Meanwhile, the carbonaceous chondrites are known to be much rarer than ordinary chondrites. Astronomers think that carbon chondrites formed far from the Sun when the early solar system was developing. As the name implies, carbonaceous chondrites contain the element carbon, usually in the form of organic compounds such as amino acid. Carbonated chondrites also often contain water or a material formed by the presence of water. Like ordinary chondrites, carbonaceous chondrites can be classified more broadly based on their mineral composition. A group of carbonaceous chondrites are marked with a 2 or 3 letter code starting with C. Carbonated chondrites are often named after the first specimen of the type found. Meanwhile, iron meteorites are mostly made of iron and nickel. They originate from the core of the asteroid and make up about 5% of the meteorites on Earth. The iron meteorite is the most massive meteorite ever found. Their heavy mineral composition, because they contain iron and nickel, often allows them to remain intact when they fall to Earth. The largest meteorite ever found, the Namyan Hoba meteorite, is an iron meteorite. The meteorite has a number of silicate and metal minerals. One group of stony iron meteorites, the palladides, contain yellow-green, olivine